Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best e-bike battery in this video? I will show you the top 5 best e-bike battery to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is new 18,650 battery pack. Specifications: brand name Deala, model number 60 volts, nominal capacity 50 Ah, weight 5 kg, voltage 60 volts, type Li-ion, rated capacity 20 Ah 50 Ah, battery type lithium-ion battery, certification CE. Number 4 is Citycoco electric scooter battery. Specifications: brand name Deala, nominal capacity 20 Ah to 60 Ah, weight 4 kilograms, voltage 48 volts, size 365 by 110 by 90 ohm, type Li-ion, certification CE, cycle life: 1000 times, charge temperature 1565 C. As the item number 3, we've selected electric scooter battery. Specifications: brand name Deala, battery model Silverfish battery, nominal capacity 2060 Ah, weight 4 kilograms, size 390 by 110 by 80 ohm, type Li-ion, voltage 48 volts, charging temperature 0 to 45 C, certification CE KC. Number 2 is 20 Ah replacement battery. Specifications: brand name AliExpress, model number DCH009, nominal capacity 20 Ah, weight 3 to 4 kg, voltage 48 volts 52 volts optional, size 418 by 114 by 58, application a bike, type Li-ion, BMS 28 to 30A, fit for motors 0 to 1000 W, cycle life 800 to 1000 cycles, warranty 1 year, certification CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hailong battery. Specifications: brand name E-Inc, nominal capacity 30 Ah to 60 Ah, voltage 36 volts, 48 volts, 52 volts, size 370 by 110 by 90 ohm, type Li-ion, origin mainland China, certification CE FCC RoHS KC.